Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys sound vibration setting, and today video title is guys how to set ringtone in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to set ringtone, you want to use ringtone setting in your Tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to use ringtone setting and how to set ringtone in Tecno mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, open your phone sound and vibration setting. After turn on sound and vibration friends, you can adjust your media volume, your ringtone volume friends. You can increase, you can adjust your ringtone volume, notification volume. You can increase, you can decrease from here. So friends, click your phone ringtone one and select your ringtone sound. So friends, I will select here this ringtone sound, OK option, and friends you can see ringtone will set. So like that friends, you want to set ringtone, so you can set ringtone in your Tecno mobile. And friends, you want to set phone ringtone too. So friends, click your phone ringtone 2 option and select your phone ringtone 2 sound. So friends, I will set here jet set sound, OK option, sound will set. So like that friends, you can set ringtone and you can set phone ringtone 1 and you can set phone ringtone 2. And friends, you want to on your notification ringtone sound. So friends, click here notification sound settings, select your notification ringtone sound and you can use it. So like that friends, you can on notification ringtone in your Tecno mobile. And alarm ringtone guys, already I have set it. You want to set, you want to change, so you can change. And friends, you have any downloaded ringtone, so friends click here add ringtone option and you can select your download ringtone, but friends I don't have. So like that friends, you can use ringtone setting in your Tecno mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to use ringtone setting, how to set ringtone, how to change ringtone in Tecno mobile. Bye.